Hello everyone, today we have an unboxing video because I have these Fiskars which I really enjoy, but not lately, it's been a while now because I've used it for I believe I've had it for like 4 years, should last more than that. Here's what happens when I try to cut my paper now. I'm going to show you up close because I don't think you can see it. I believe the blade, with time, it really damages this, and it's been getting, caught in it. I mean, if I do this, you will see, look, it goes straight here, but look what happens. See? See the noise? It gets stuck there. I don't know if you can see, but it's all like chipped here, and even my finger can't go through it, see? Get stuck, and that's really been bothering me. So I've been out shopping for a new trimmer, and I found this one at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if this is like their own brand. Maybe it is, Craft Tools. But the price, two reasons here why I bought it. The price is amazing. So these Fiskars here, if you go to Amazon, it's $26, $27. If you buy it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, it's about $36, which is ridiculous, $10 more. But in any case, it's a trimmer. This one is a trimmer, but it has two blades, one for cutting the paper and one for scoring. And I've been wanting to try this kind of trimmer before. So with the price and 2-in-1, plus look what comes with it. 2 little cutting knives, one like an X-Acto knife and one for precision. So it has a very tiny, and I'll show you when I open this. So let's try and see if it's worth it, if I'm really saving money, or if it's one of those things that you should have bought the other one. We'll see together. We're gonna try. I'm gonna get this out of the box paper, and we're gonna try see. I'm really particularly interested in the scoring thing to see if that really works. Okay, so I'll do that. I'll get all of this out and we're gonna try it together. We're going to start by trying the tools first, and then we'll try the scoring and everything. So the little cutting knife, let me see, pretty good, very, very sharp, one of those that you really have to lock away, but I love the size, great for when you're on the go. Let's see the X-Acto knife. Same thing. Well, I didn't put enough pressure, I guess. Let me do it again. There you go. Works fine, and I believe it comes with some extra. How do I put this back? Oh, there you go. Let me see if it comes with anything. There's something here. Nope. There's no extra anything. I don't know what this is for. Oh, okay, there you go. So that's one. Let's see the precision one. I really want to see, because see how tiny that is? So let me see if that really helps. Oh, it does make a difference, guys. I had never used one like this, but it really does make a difference when you're cutting something like small. Wow. Cool. I am going to be using this a lot, that's for sure. Let me see if it actually moves. Oh, maybe it's one of those that you can, oh yeah, you can move it around. But this is great. I really, really enjoy that. It's very tiny and very, very sharp. So I'm gonna put that away. I'm almost afraid of it. So yeah, that works. So we are going to try. Let's see the trimmer and scorer, I guess. I don't know. It's a scoring board too. So I forgot to tell you the price. So this one is $16. So I mean $16 for all of this, right? So let me see. I think you have to unlock here, maybe. I don't want to break it. Yeah, you had to unlock it. So anyway, there you go. And let me see how you place this. Okay, so let's try that. Let's see if this cuts paper well, because if it doesn't, I'll just take it back. So I think you have to move one up and one. Oh, like this. There you go. So let's see the scoring, okay? Wow, pretty smooth. Very, very good. Let's see down. I usually do up anyway, but gotta try, right? Yep, works fine. Let's see if it cuts. Yep, very clean, excellent. Happy with that. So, but I'm really curious about the scoring because that is the thing that I do not have one that scores at the same time. Yeah, very, very clean cut, guys. Very happy with it. So now let's see the scoring. So let's say I want to score at 4 inches. So you're gonna use 4 inches here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you see better. Let's see if that works, guys. Okay, let me move this down. Yeah, like this. Okay, so that's the cutting. So I'm gonna leave it there on the top and I'm gonna come up with the scoring one. So scored at 4. And now I'm gonna score at 6. So let's see if that works. So it did score. Can you see? Can you see? I hope you see it. This light is not helping. So see here, 1, 2. Let's see if it's smooth. Oh, wow. Yep. Easy to score. Oh my gosh, look at that. I am a fan now. Can't beat it. $16. Look at that. It's really scored well. You can see it. It was easy. Because when I looked, it didn't look like it scored very well. But I was wrong. So I'm going to put the paper here. I'm going to score again. Ah, look. See the scoring line? It's hard for me to see if you can see it. So, scored. And look at that. Very good, guys. Approved. Highly approved. Like it. I like all the tools. So this one I wanted to share because, you know me, if I find something good, I always want to tell you guys. So there you go. It locks in. That's why I was having trouble opening. So you have to actually kind of push it down a little bit and then unlock it. But very good. So for the price, less than the Fiskars, which is 26, I got all of this and it works like magic. So I'm happy. Really, really happy. Thank you so much. And you have a wonderful day.